What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new how-to video, and I thought for this video I would leave out the face cam because it would be a little bit distracting, because in today's video we're gonna go over 3 steps you can use in order to get more views on YouTube. So if you're excited for this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I would say let's get started right after the intro. Right, guys, so how to get more views on YouTube in 2019? It's gonna be pretty simple because there might be a lot of questions that you guys have. For example, Alex, I have this kind of content in mind. Is it the right time to upload it? And my answer is yes. It doesn't really matter what kind of content you're uploading at which time, because there's always an audience for any type of content. If it's cooking, if it's vlogging, if it's gaming, there's always an audience any time of the year. But obviously, if you're creating that kind of content, you don't want to, put all your time and effort and nobody's watching the videos, and that's why you need some views on YouTube. You want to get, something in return for your hard work and dedication. So it all starts with creating the content, high quality, and then the uploading process. So with that being said, let's move on to step number 1. Okay, so uploading your video with the right title is actually really important. So let me drag video into the upload screen and then we will get started. Okay, so right now I have a video uploading, and at the top it says title. If it's going to be a how-to video, for example, like this one, we're going to go ahead and fill something in, for example, how to get more views on YouTube in 2019. But obviously we want to use capital letters because it just looks, better. So if we're going to type in, for example, how to get more views on YouTube, if you're gonna do it like that, it's not gonna be, looking that attractive. So we can also use, for example, symbols. So what I would do is do it like this: how to get more views on YouTube in 2019 -3 easy steps. That's a lot more attractive. And if you have, for example, gaming, you want to also do that. So let's pick, for example, a Fortnite video. So let's just go ahead and type in 50 kill streak. Then you want to put an exclamation mark, and then we want to put a dash, and then you can type in Fortnite Battle Royale, for example, like that. That's going to be a lot more attractive than just 50 kills in Fortnite. Like that, it's just going to be, it has to do with the title, and what you want to do is you want to include words that in the title that it has to do with your video. Now that we had gaming, you can also use this, for example, for a cooking video. So let's say that we're going to type in 3 awesome vegan recipes you can try at home, and then, for example, between brackets, delicious. Just an example, guys. This is what you can do, in terms of titles, because if someone is reading the title and it looks really sloppy and there's not much attention put into it, people are less likely going to be clicking on it, and they just look for something else. So a title is very important. So let's move on to step number 2. Okay, so now that we had the title right there, what we need to do is go ahead and check the description. So what I have is welcome back everyone today, and then I just have the word title because I just have to fill it in because it's differently every single time. Today I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube 2019 with 3 easy steps. And it's really important that you will, tell what your video is about within the first 3 lines of the description, because that's what people are going to see, and that's how YouTube's algorithm will rank your video higher. So if you fill that in, you can fill in other things like, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. Make sure to smash the like button below as well. Stick around for more content. That's a good, top of the description. And if you want to promote some other videos, what you can do is you can just, for example, type in check check out more videos, my latest video, you can just fill in the link. Today's mystery video, become a sponsor, subscribe for more, get your amazing effects, you know, buy Vegas 16 right here, all kinds of links to your social media right here. You can also fill that in, but the most important thing is to get more views is to use actually, you know, almost the exact same title that you have in the description within the first 3 lines. And then obviously if you want to get more views, you can just also put down other things, for example hashtags, like for example hashtag cooking or hashtag Fortnite. That can also help to get you more views. It is really simple. So now that we have the title, we have the description, the most important factor are the tags. This is how your video will be found and how it will be ranked. So let's move on to the last step, which is step number 3. Okay, so now that we landed on the tags box, what we need to do is also use the search bar. What I always do is, for example, if I'm uploading a video about Vegas Pro and motion tracking, what I would do is not just fill in Vegas motion tracking. That's not what I do. What I do is I just type in my JustAlexHalford name and AlexHalford name as well to be found more easily. What I do then is go to the search bar and I just type in Vegas Pro motion tracking and I just fill in this guy right here. Then I go back and then I just also fill in text because that is at the top of the results and that's what people are looking for right now. If I type in motion tracking, I'm going to also pick plugin, and then also right here you can just pick Vegas Pro 15 motion tracking because people are looking for the motion tracking. So which version of Vegas Pro you're using is not really necessary, but for motion tracking it is, because only Vegas Pro 16 has motion tracking. But you guys get the idea. Tutorial right here, and then you can also, for example, type in motion tracking tutorial like that, and then you can also just fill in Sony Vegas, and then you can just type it in real simple. And if it's about cooking, you can just type in, for example, vegan recipes, and then you can have for beginners, on a budget, tasty, easy, Indian, healthy snacks, meat for kids, anything like that. And that's how you can fill in the tag and how to be found more easily. So guys, that is it for this how-to video. This is how to get more views on YouTube in 2019. If you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe down below. I'll catch you guys tomorrow with a brand new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial, as always on Wednesday. So I will see you guys tomorrow.